Namaste. This is Kavya Kumar, Grade 12, Gyanshri School. A heartfelt appreciation to our principal, Mrs. Priyanka Bhatkoti, who inspires all of us to become outstanding global citizens and pushes us not only to think about ourselves. A big thank you to the EduTV 3-minute team that gives students like me a platform to talk about important issues today. If I had to pick one global issue that our generation must solve, it would be climate responsibility. Climate change is not a distant threat. It is happening, and it is happening today at a speed that we no longer can ignore. We see rising temperatures making summer heats unbearable to standing, flooding cities, displacing families, forest fires destroying livelihood and forests, melting glaciers, raising sea levels, polluted air are harming our health every single day. These are not just environmental problems written in reports. These are everyday human problems affecting real people, real homes, and real futures. And the most important truth is, my generation is the first generation to fully understand this problem and the last that has the opportunity to actually fix it. To protect our planet, we must take action in ways that are simple, practical, yet realistic. We must learn to reduce waste. We must conserve water, and we must move towards renewable energy that gives us power while still protecting our planet Earth. But more than all of this, we must change our mindset. Sustainability is not a campaign or a project done for a day in school. It is a lifestyle, a daily commitment, something we must practice even when no one is watching. That is when real change starts to take place. If every young person takes responsibility, not through big gestures, but by small gestures, turning off the lights when not in use, the impact would be massive. To reuse instead of waste simply means thinking twice before throwing something away to see if we can still reuse it and choosing things that last longer. To plant instead of pollute means adding more green to our surroundings and keeping our public spaces clean. And to choose wisely instead of blindly consuming means being aware of what we buy, what we use, and how much we are taking from the earth. These little choices may seem small, but millions of small changes create powerful change. If millions of young people commit to these 3 simple steps, it becomes more than a habit. It becomes a global movement. A movement that is led by us, powered by us, and built for a future that we want to live in. And together, we truly can change the world. The climate crisis is big, bigger than any single person, but our potential is also big, bigger than any challenge we face. Our generation must be the one that saves the planet. Not tomorrow, not someday, but today. Thank you.
Your voice can spark change. Your story can inspire millions. Calling grade 11 and 12 students worldwide, take the mic and make your voice heard in the EduTV 3-minute talk challenge.